Good morning, students of class 10th. At first, I welcome you to my English class. I am going to teach you about the paragraph 3 and 4 of At the High School. I am going to read the paragraph. Please listen me silently. The reason for my dislike was my keen desire to serve as a nurse to my father. As soon as the school closed, I would hurry home and begin serving him. Compulsory exercise came directly in the way of this service. I requested Mr. Jim to exempt me from gymnastics so that I might be free to serve my father, but he would not listen to me. Now it happened that one Saturday, when we had school in the morning, I had to come from home to school for gymnastics at 4 o'clock in the afternoon. I had no watch, and the crowd deceived me. Before I reached the school, the boys had all left. The next day, Mr. Jimmy, examining the roll, found me marked absent. Being asked for the reason of absence, I told him what had happened. He refused to believe me and ordered me to pay a fine of 1 or 2 annas. Dear students, I am saying you about the English meaning of paragraph 3. Please listen me. Apart from his dislike the sports, Gandhi also wanted to escape the games as he wanted to serve his ailing father as a nurse after a school or after the close of school. In the meantime, Gandhi requested his headmaster, Mr. Dorabji Dulji Jimmy, who was a disciplinarian and man of method, to exempt him from a gymnastics. When Mr. Dorabji Dulji listened such type of request from Gandhi, Mr. Jimmy, who was a disciplinarian and a man of principles, did not listen or did not hear to Gandhi's request. One Saturday, when the boys of that school asked to come to school at 4 p.m. or afternoon for gymnastics, Gandhi did not reach in good time in his school because he did not have a watch. So he did not know the exact time of gymnastics class, and also he could not reach the school in time. Then the crowd also cheated him or deceived him. Both of this reason, he did not reach in good time. Before he reached the school, all the boys of that school had left the school. The next day, his headmaster, Mr. Idulji Dorabji Jimmy or Dorabji Idulji Jimmy, examined the roll or he roll call, but he found that Gandhi was absent or Gandhi was not present in this class. So he asked him the reason of absence. Gandhi told him what was going on. Then he told the truth, but Mr. Jimmy did not believe him and ordered him to pay a fine of 1 or 2 annas. In this way, Gandhi felt very sorry because he did not cheated with the headmaster, Mr. Jimmy. Now, I am going to read the 4th para. Listen me. I was convicted of lying. The deeply pained me. How was I to prove my innocence? There was no way. I cried in deep anguish. I saw that a man of truth must also be a man of care. This was the first time and last instance of my carelessness in school. I had a faint recollection that I finally succeeded in getting the fine remitted. The exemption from exercise was of course obtained as my father wrote himself to the headmaster of school saying that he wanted me at home after school. Now I am going to tell you about the English meaning of paragraph 4. Listen me. Gandhi was convicted of lying that deeply pained him so much. He could find no way to prove his innocence before the headmaster. Then he cried in deep anguish. At that time, he realized that or understood that a man of truth must also be a man of care. Finally, the fine was somehow remitted. Gandhi was also exempted from exercise of course after his father himself wrote to the headmaster of his school. Because he was relaxed from the fine when his father wrote a letter to the headmaster of a school. Then the headmaster relaxed him to give the fine. In this way, I discussed paragraph 3 and 4 of the high school. Being listened silently with mindfully, I thank you.